Hello, I'm going to show you how you can watch your local channels on your TCL Smart TV. So to watch the local channels on your TCL Smart TV, the first thing that you should do is to connect the analog TV antenna on the back side. The first thing you should do is to connect the analog TV antenna on the right side of your TCL Smart TV. So here is the port to connect your antenna on the back side of here on the right side. So once the antenna is connected, on your remote, what you can do is you can simply click on this button right here. This is the input button. So when you click the input button, it is going to show you all of the inputs that you have connected. So once the antenna is connected, you can simply click OK on the TV. And here it is going to search for signal on all of the channels that are available in your area with the analog cable. And once it is once it is done searching, you can watch your local TV from here. So as you can see right now, my analog cable is not connected, so it is not searching for any channels. Now if I want to go back, I can click the home button from my remote, and from here I can also go to the TV section right here to go to my analog TV as well. So from here you can also do that. So this is how you watch your local channels on your TCL TV. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.